Hi friends, welcome back to Hia's Food Palace. Today I am going to show you how to make cake pops. These are the ingredients: cake crumbs, melted chocolate, sprinkles or any other toppings. Now add some melted chocolate to the cake crumbs and mix it. Then roll it into small bowls. Now, first let's take a lollipop stick and dip it into the melted chocolate and put into the rolled balls and freeze it for half an hour. Now dip the pops into the melted chocolate and decorate it with sprinkles or any other toppings. And keep it in the freezer for 2 hours.